Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. So I have a great little tip for you. This is a very short video. One of my stamping friends, Linda from Arizona, bless your heart Linda for sharing this with me, shared this great tip. So you know how I have my Big Shot die brush in this old paper pumpkin box that I've turned inside out. And you put your intricate die in here and you're brushing it, and then you have all these bits all over the place. And let's say you maybe are using some little dies and they get in here and then you do this and you don't see them. They're easy to throw away, these little tiny ones, right? So here's what Linda told me today, is to take some magnetic tape. Now I didn't have any magnetic tape, but what I did have were these magnetic craft sheets that you can run through your printer to make personalized full color magnets. I don't know where I bought this. I bought it a very long time ago. I found it when I was cleaning out my studio. So anyways, what I did is I just cut off a slice of that magnetic sheet, and then I'm going to come in with something nice and strong. You're going to need a strong adhesive. And I'm going to use tear tape, tear and tape, I should say it right so you know what to look for when you're going to my store to get some, right? And I'm just going to take this tear and tape and add it to my magnetic strip of paper. Use a pokey tool to get that backing off. Do you know where I'm going with this? Yeah, I think you're going to love this idea. I loved it so much I had to do it right away. Like I went on a search for my magnetic paper. And I'm going to add it right to the top of my box. And then when you're working with these tiny little dies and you're trying to get your bits and pieces out, when you're done with the die and you're still working on pieces, you can throw them, you can throw them right up here on that magnetic paper so you don't lose them in here and accidentally throw them away, which is what Linda said she almost did, and I can certainly see that happening. So there's your Wednesday tip. I hope that this has been beneficial. I hope that you will get yourself some type of magnets to put in the top up here to hold those dies so that you don't discard them by accident. Make sure you click up here in the top right hand corner. That's going to take you right to my blog where you will be able to see all the projects that I've made. You can shop if you want. Please use this host code when you're doing your shopping. I always appreciate that. And don't forget to click down here in the bottom right corner to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have some new online classes coming out next week. Watch for those. And also some more great videos that you don't want to miss. Once again, I'd like to thank you for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Bye-bye.